Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. UPS and FedEx drop the MD-11. Here's what's next. The iconic McDonnell Douglas MD-11 freighters are finally heading into retirement as UPS and FedEx introduce newer, more efficient aircraft. In this video, we break down the latest updates on the MD-11 phase-out, why both cargo giants are making the switch, and what aircraft will replace this legendary trijet. From fleet strategy to operational changes, here's everything you need to know about the end of an era for one of aviation's most recognizable cargo planes. Fatal UPS crash triggers grounding. On November 4, 2025, UPS Flight 2976, an MD-11F, crashed shortly after takeoff from Louisville's Muhammad Ali International Airport, killing 14, 3 crew and 11 ground victims. The left engine and pylon detached, igniting 38,000 gallons of fuel and striking nearby buildings. This incident, the MD-11's 10th hull loss with over 244 fatalities historically, prompted immediate scrutiny of the aging trijet's design flaws, including pylon vulnerabilities and landing instability. Voluntary fleet groundings. UPS and FedEx proactively grounded their entire MD-11 fleets post-crash, prioritizing safety amid union pressure and Boeing's suspension recommendation. UPS halted its 27 active MD-11s, 9% of its 500-plus aircraft fleet, while FedEx idled 28 units, 4% of its approximately 700 planes. Western Global Airlines kept 4 active but faces similar risks. FAA Emergency Directives. The FAA issued Airworthiness Directive, AD 2025-2351 on November 8, mandating global MD-11, MD-11F inspections and halting operations. Expanded November 15-16 to MD-10s and DC-10s due to shared pylon structures echoing the 1979 American Airlines DC-10 crash. This grounds approximately 8 remaining DC-10s worldwide, bypassing public comment for urgency. Holiday shipping disruptions. With U.S. package volumes projected at 2.3 billion, 5% YoY growth, the grounding risks delays during peak season. Each MD-11 hauls approximately 20,000 packages, rerouting to 767s, trucks, and trains strains capacity. UPS urges early shopping, no deadline changes yet, but experts warn of 1-2 week backlogs if inspections drag. Accelerated retirement signals. UPS, already replacing MD-11s with Boeing 767s since 2023, aimed for full phase-out by 2032, delayed from 2028. The crash may hasten this to 2 years, per analysts, amid fuel inefficiency, trijet design, and emissions goals. FedEx, having retired 20 MD-11s in 3 years, targets 2032 completion but faces parts shortages for 30-plus-year-old jets. Historical safety concerns resurface. The MD-11's record includes 7 fatal cargo incidents, e.g., FedEx 80 in 2009 Tokyo flipover, UPS 61 in 2016 Seoul. Shortened stabilizers cause hard landing risks in gusts. The Louisville pylon failure mirrors maintenance issues. Boeing's analysis, including black box data, is ongoing with no timeline. Broader operational ripples. DC-10 grounding halts U.S. wildfire tankers, 10 tanker air carriers fleet, Omega Air refuelers, and Orbis Flying Eye Hospital. Cargo market volatility rises, boosting demand for conversions like IAI's 777 P2F, though feedstock shortages from Boeing delays persist. Replacement strategies in focus. Both carriers eye-efficient twins. UPS favors 767s, 7778F, GE9X engines, 2030 ICE. FedEx considers Airbus A350F. Trent XWB. Possible 2028 entry, for volumetric payloads. Airbus leads orders, 74 versus Boeing's 59, potentially shifting market dynamics post-MD-11 era. Public and industry backlash. X discussions highlight shipping woes, e.g., Memphis backlogs, and parallels to past engine separations. Northwest 727, 1990. Pilot unions pushed groundings. Experts call it a wake-up for aging fleets, with Lufthansa's 2021 MD-11 exit as precedent. Outlook. End of an era. Inspections could lift groundings soon via tail-specific fixes, but the crash reinforces MD-11 obsolescence. UPS, FedEx emphasize contingencies, but accelerated retirements loom, favoring sustainable fleets amid e-commerce booms. Full return to service undecided. Boeing, FAA updates expected weekly. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.